Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sum a column or selected column in Excel. So what you have to do, as I want to sum these numbers, okay, sale of January to November, January month to November month. So what you have to do, just select all the column, okay, all the sales, and here you will see, click on the home option, and here you will see auto sum option. Just click on auto sum. So here you will see that total has come. Okay, here the total is 2,36,000. And now if I want to know the sum of total quarter, January, February and March months sale, total sale. So what I have to do, just follow that procedure here also. Just select the column, and here you will see auto sum. So like this you can do this, okay. So like this you can sum a column in your